च्यवनप्राश.
च्यवनप्राश. भयंकर च्यवनप्राश.
भयंकर च्यवनप्राश. नहीं बस हो रहा है यार, फ्लो में हो रहा है जो हो रहा है, और थोड़ी सी मेहनत है, थोड़ा सा आशीर्वाद है, थोड़ा सा जो मेरे सब बड़े लोग हैं उनका योगदान है मेरी लाइफ में, उससे हो रहा है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, और अच्छा है हो रहा है. वी गेट टू सी यू मोर ऑफन. कृतिका, आई हैव बीन सीइंग यू सिंस द टाइम आई बीन सीइंग यू, तो मतलब यू हैव नेवर एवर डिसअपॉइंटेड अस. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. जैसे ही लगता है कि कृतिका कामरा की शक्ल देख ली है इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ में, मतलब ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा होने वाला है. सो वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट. क्या आप जैसे 11-11 होते हैं, दिस इज नॉट टू डू विद 11-11, क्या आप विशेस में बिलीव रखती हैं? डू you know, shut your eyes quickly and you ask everybody around you, excuse me, chalo, we've got a wish now.
नहीं करने लगी हूँ. I mean, this is a wish come true. Is right here, this moment.
The mic is not, yeah.
See, मैं ज़रूर करने लगी हूँ, because this is a wish come true. This moment, sitting surrounded by such talented, wonderful people, this is a wish come true. From जहाँ से मैं आई थी, जब मैंने शुरू किया था, कभी बचपन में सोचा नहीं था कि एक्टर बनना है. उसके बाद भी ये सब करने को मिल रहा है, और इतने अमेजिंग लोगों के साथ काम करने को मिल रहा है, सीखने को मिल रहा है. It can only be, you know, something magical.
Yeah, it's just, it is magical, and as I said, and I've been repeating it ever since. 9th of August is going to be very, very amazing for all of us. अगर मैं आपसे ये पूछूं कि what really drew you towards this respective role, तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
You know, for me, I had just come out of playing a morally dubious gangster sort of a character. So to get an opportunity to play an upright cop, again, like I said, it's most important for me to surround myself with people who I can learn from, with these wonderful people, and this walkie-talkie moment that you just saw, this intrigue. When I read the script, I think it was a combination of all these things that drew me to this part, and I'm so glad I got to be a part of it.
Absolutely lovely. Like I'm just looking at you, and I'm not even. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो शब्द है वो भी मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रहे हैं, because I'm like so in love. But of course, I'm listening to everything, and I'm really looking forward to the 9th. This is the 100th time that I've mentioned this. Terry, you were so lovely in here.
Firstly, I think thank you for your kind words. Very sweet of you. It was very simple. I read the script and I was like, finally.
Yeah.
Like, this is a part that every actor waits for in their life, and especially for somebody who's still in his nascent stages, starting out, finding his feet. So when I read the script, I was like, yes, this is it, because, yeah. So yeah, simple. I read the script and I was like, finally, this is it. This is what every actor waits for. This part, huge responsibility. Because, and again, I want to thank my producers, Guneet, Achin, Karan, Apurva, and especially Umesh sir, for, you know, trusting me with this part. It's a risk on their part, for trusting somebody who's starting out with a humongous part, a humongous project. And thank you, Umesh sir, for really, you know, taking me under your wing. He's such a gem person. I absolutely love him. And it's been a wholesome, satisfying journey.
The humility on this stage is quite phenomenal. We must quickly admit that as well. I think everyone's really...
Journey and evolution over a 10-year, 15-year span of the career of my character goes through. So you have to be mindful of his journey, because there are some events that he goes through. Life hasn't been easy on him. So you have to be mindful of the two, I would say two personalities, because you started out as somebody who's on his toes, optimism flowing, very naive, and then, you know, life really hardens you. Your thought process changes, your first instinct from optimism changes to skepticism. So I think be mindful of that.